Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video and today I'm going to do a painting tutorial by Bob Ross. His videos are always entertaining to me. I can't paint, but I just like to watch them anyway. So the quarantine has given me so much more time to maybe do like some other stuff, like other hobbies. So I'm going to try painting right now. Don't laugh at my paintings, I'm not a painter. You can laugh, I don't care. So I have Bob Ross Distant Mountains, Season 14, Episode 1. Let's give it a try. Hopefully this one's easy. I don't know, sometimes the easy ones are actually kind of hard. But you know what? Art is subjective, so let's try. Okay, so I have my little art station. I have so many art materials at home, but I never use them. This one is called Liquitex acrylic paints. So let's see.
Hello, I'm Bob Ross, and I'd like to welcome you to the 14th Joy of Painting series. Is continually mixing with the liquid white that's already on the canvas, so that way it blends automatically as you work downward. So come from the outside in, and that way you don't have that distinct line. And this little area that's left in here, if everything works just right, it'll look just like a little sheen of light coming across your water when you're all finished. Just the top corner of the brush. Then grab it and fluff it. Live in your sky.
Okay, the clouds are hard.
Let's build us a little mountain today. For that,
I tried.
Use some Prussian blue.
It said lift it. I don't know what that means.
Take a little midnight black, some Van Dyke brown, a little Lizard crimson. What the heck?
Swirlies.
What the heck? The main thing we're looking for here is a good dark color. Pull it out as flat as you can get it. And by using the shadows and highlight shapes here that are created by the brush, you can lay out your entire mountain without ever being committed.
These are mountains, guys.
Good.
Not
And it's
just
just right.
blobs.
There we are. There. See there?
So he has different
Isn't that
tools.
fantastic that
I'm
you
gonna
can
try to
build a
just
mountain
dab
that
it.
easy? And you
Like,
really can.
yeah.
You really can. Every day I get letters from people all over the country who never in their life suspected they could paint such beautiful paintings. And just from watching the different shows that we put on, special. There we go. See, it created another plane in that mountain and brought it forward. And you can do all kinds of little tricks like it. Just practice.
I might leave this part off because mine.
Look at that. Look at that. There they come. When you're painting in this technique, you just sort of let your imagination go, so let your mind wander. Because you can create any illusion that you want.
This is a pretty green.
Just let your mind think of
There
things
we go. Got some trees.
and off you go. There.
Oh, they're down here.
There. All I'm doing here is taking that color and pulling it straight down. Just to wherever. Keep these lines basically straight. Or it look like your water's going to run right off the side of the canvas. We don't want that to happen. See, you can create all kind of little places where this is where the big trout hides back in here. There.
I personally don't
And
like
then you're
it.
painting. A lot of paint, and this should be very, very dark. We're going to put some highlights in there, so you need this to be dark so the highlights will show. Let's give it a friend. You know me. You've painted with me before.
A Christmas tree. Actually, that looks like a
Everything
tree.
needs a friend.
Oh, look at it.
Give it a little push. Watch here. See, when you push, look at all those little leaves and grass indications and bush indications it makes just automatically. Shiny as a new ones. There. Third brush, put all that detail in there. The 1-inch brush today. We'll put some highlights in here. I'm going to pick up some Indian yellow and maybe right at the tip of the bristles, a little touch of the bright red, and we can put a bush out here that has little red flowers on it. See there? That easy. You can do anything out here. Anything. I want to add a little bit of red, and I think I'll sign this painting.
All right, yeah. I skipped a lot of the steps.
Then
I like mine right here.
then is ink.
So I'm going to sign it.
I think we'll call this painting finished. And from all of us here, I really hope you've enjoyed it. So happy painting, and God bless. I'll see you next time.
Anyway, hope you guys are enjoying your new hobbies during the quarantine. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and see you next time.